Let me show you how we can enter and exit the recovery mode on the Motorola smartphone. So in order to go to the recovery mode, first we're gonna restart our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to open the power menu. And then over here we need to tap on the restart option. Once you tap on restart, you want to press and hold the volume down. And you want to keep holding volume down until you see the fast boot mode. So just keep holding it. And there we go. Now we are in the fast boot. Use volume buttons in order to navigate in this menu and then look for the recovery mode. Once you see recovery mode on the screen, press the power button. So with power button, we accept and we confirm our selected option. Now we need to wait a little bit. And if you happen to see this dead Android logo with no command text, then you want to press and hold the power button, and then once you hold the power button, also press volume up. So I'm gonna press and hold power and then press volume up. There we go. Now as you can see here, we are in the Android recovery mode, and we can use volume buttons in order to move around the menu. And we once again confirm with the power button. Now, if you want to exit the recovery mode, simply select Reboot System Now and confirm with the power button. Your phone will restart and go back to the normal mode. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.